Have I got a breakfast for you? This is a delicious warming porridge with roasted apples. So let's get the apples on first so they can roast in the oven. First, you'll need 2 or 3 apples. I've just cut them into 8s. I'm also leaving the skin on because there's nothing wrong with the skin. To this, I'm going to add a splash of extra virgin olive oil and some maple syrup. And I'm adding quite a lot of maple syrup because I want this to form a lovely sauce for our porridge at the end. To thicken the sauce, I'm adding a little corn flour, and apples love cinnamon, so a pinch of cinnamon. And we'll just give that a mix just to coat all of those lovely apples in that mixture. Great, okay, this goes into the oven. They're going to cook for about 30 minutes. All right, while the apples are roasting in the oven, let's make a very quick porridge. Now, porridge usually you would associate with oats, but not this gluten-free one. This gluten-free one has a base of brown rice, so it's got a lovely nutty flavour. It also has polenta throughout it, quinoa and flaxseed as the base, and delicious nuts like macadamia and almonds. So I'm going to measure out about 2/3 straight into a pot. You could also do this in the microwave. And I want mine to be super creamy, so I'm going to add some milk, full cream milk. You could use any type of milk you like, or just use water. I'm also going to add half a cup of water to this too, okay? I'm not adding any sweetness to this at all because we'll add that at the end from that delicious butterscotch that's cooking away with the apples. So we'll turn the heat on. I'm going to keep an eye on it, regularly stir it until it thickens up nicely. The apples have roasted. You can see that we've got a lovely butterscotch there too, and it smells so good with that cinnamon. And have a look at this porridge. Perfect consistency. I'm just going to add a generous amount to a serving bowl. This will certainly keep you full after brekkie. And then our apples, I like to just pile them up in the centre. Look how sticky they are. Fantastic. Nice generous amount of them in the centre. And a lovely drizzle of that maple syrup butterscotch that I've been talking about. This is just the perfect addition to a porridge like this. Finally, I love a bit of crunch and saltiness when it comes to my porridge, and this nut mix is fantastic. Pecans, walnuts, more almonds, and we'll just sprinkle that over the top, and that is a seriously great way to start your morning. A really unique porridge. Instead of the oats, it has the base of the brown rice. It tastes delicious, and everyone can enjoy it, including my gluten-free friends.